Welcome to the 441 L-shaped vanity organizer installation video. Before we begin, you'll need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a rubber mallet, an awl, and tape. In your box, you'll find the following parts: an L-shaped drawer, a frame slide assembly, Bloom release triggers, 6 acrylic bins, 4 number 8 by 3/4 inch panhead screws, 4 number 6 by 1/2 inch panhead screws, wood plug covers, and a template. First, orient the drawer to your preferred side of the cabinet. Next, install the Bloom release triggers on the bottom front of the drawer using the number 6 by 1/2 inch panhead screws. Insert the wood plugs to cover the front holes of the drawer. Use your mallet to tap in. Fold the template along the dotted lines and place it inside the cabinet. Align the front edge of the template to the front edge of the cabinet. Use tape to secure. Mark the 4 pilot hole locations on your template with the awl and mallet. Next, pre-drill the holes using a 3/32 inch drill bit. Attach the frame slide assembly to the cabinet floor using the number 8 by 3/4 inch panhead screws. With the slides in the fully closed position, place the drawer on the frame slide assembly and push back until you feel the slides engage. You will hear a click sound. Fully cycle the unit. Add the 6 acrylic bins. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.